Hello, this is Gene Thorpe at Little Red Rooster TV. On behalf of the Vox Room Guitar Center, it's Wednesday. We're going to be putting a couple of things up onto the market in Vox Room. One will be a Line 6 pod, and this thing has many different amplifier models, blackface Fenders, tweed Fenders, Marshalls, all different types of sounds and effects. It's a great little unit, and I'm going to sell this one for only $40 and $10 shipping. And another item that we have today that's going to go up is a microphone assembly for a GoPro camera. This is a condenser microphone that plugs right into the GoPro. It's got its own condenser mic and stand that goes onto the camera. And excellent deal. I think I paid over 125 bucks for this. I would do this one for $45 and $10 shipping. And then I have a Pyle Direct Box, which will convert any signal from balanced to unbalanced, and be able to allow you to take a bass amplifier and run a low impedance microphone directly into the board. And this is brand new on the box, and I'm only going to sell this for $15 and $5 shipping. So those are the items that the Vox Room has for sale today. This is Gene Thorpe, Little Red Rooster TV, signing out.